Hey everybody, Tim Coates with Ethos Car Care today. I'm going to talk about our Defy 3-in-1 product. Now, Defy isn't just your average cleaner. This packs a punch with powerful ceramic protection, lubricants, and shine agents to make sure that not only you're going to clean your finish, but you're going to leave behind lasting hydrophobic protection. Now, this can be used on any lightly soiled or mildly soiled vehicle for a deep clean and for protection in one step. So let me show you just how effective this product is to use. Now, contrary to popular belief, you can literally wash your car without water and do it safely. Now, you may assume simply spraying on and wiping away the dirt is going to scratch your finish, but we have advanced lubricants and surfactants in this product that prevent you from scratching your surface and making sure the cleaning process is very safe and effective. So all you're going to do is grab our Defy 3-in-1 and a light plush microfiber towel, and you're going to lightly spray Defy on the finish. You're going to take your microfiber towel, and using your first wipe, you're just going to lightly remove the contaminants, flipping it over, and buffing to a high shine. Now, this is not going to scratch the finish because it has lubricants and surfactants in it, and it's going to leave behind an ultra-slick hydrophobic ceramic layer that's going to make future cleaning extremely easy. And as you can see from the towel, it's picking the dirt up into the towel itself, safely removing it without scratching or damaging your finish. Now, Defy is also safe and effective for your wheels. You're going to spray on and you're going to wipe off all the brake dust and grime. And the cool thing about the protection and ceramic agents in this product are to make brake dust and debris not stick for future cleaning. It makes it a lot easier than without it. Now, Defy is not only safe for your paint, your wheels, your glass, but also your trim. You're going to spray the product on, use your microfiber towel, and just wipe it off. It's going to clean, condition, and add protection to all your trim surfaces. So there you have it, guys. Our Defy 3-in-1 clean, shines, and protect in one simple step, making your car wash process easier than ever before. And it's safe on any surface, whether it's your wheels, your trim, your plastics, your paint, your glass. Doesn't leave any streaks and leaves behind hydrophobic ceramic protection. So check us out today. Our Defy comes in many different sizes for all sorts of applications, and you will not be dissatisfied.